Hey, what's up? It's your boy Taylor Grant. I'm here with Bellator Claims Resolution, and I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. Today's comes to us from Marcus of Milliken, Colorado. Strong winds followed by ice and snow damaged my roof. Due to the storm damage in my area, it took about 3.5 weeks for the adjuster to come out. Could be reasonable. Since the roof was covered with snow and ice, the adjuster did a visual from the ground. I'm not so sure I like that. Somehow he came up with a repair amount about 1/10 of the actual cost. He refused to come back to review the damage after the snow melted. They refused to make any adjustments. That's what we are. We're public insurance adjusters. We adjust the claim. If the adjuster for the insurance company is unwilling to adjust the claim, they're not doing their job properly. And that's super unfair. After 30 years with insurance company, I canceled my policies. They are nothing but thieves. In this case, it seems like gross negligence that the insurance agent or the insurance adjuster comes out, looks at the roof with snow on it, then makes a determination of what should be paid without actually doing any investigation to the actual damages. That's unfair. I feel like that's unethical. How can you actually adjust a claim properly when you're not even investigating the damages? Weird. So Taylor, what you're telling us is an adjuster should actually adjust the claim properly based on the damage that's present that they can see, or they should also get experts involved that need to maybe do their job so the adjuster can get the information to do their job. Weird. It seems like that's not unreasonable and probably should be done on every claim. Why isn't it? Well, you've heard me talk about the 3Ds, but they're the 4Ds. Delay, deny, defend, diminish. Okay? Insurance companies make more money when they don't pay your claim fairly. And if you don't feel like they are paying your claim fairly, contact us today, bellatorclaims.com. Let us help you. Let us see what we can do to help you get your claim paid fairly and fully. bellatorclaims.com. If you have any questions or need anything, contact us today.